I'm Rakshitaman here with Cisco Tech Team. In this video, I will be showing how to perform packet replay using Cisco Firewall Management Center, FMC, using version 7.6. Let's get started. Log into FMC GUI with the user credentials. Let's go to Devices, Troubleshoot, Packet Tracer. Let's select the device of interest and provide the details of the source IP and port. Destination IP and port, protocol, and select the ingress interface. Optionally, we can select Allow the simulated packet to transmit from the device option to replay an actual simulated packet from the device. Finally, click on Trace. From the trace results, we can observe that the packet has been allowed because there is a configured rule in the access control policy to allow the specific traffic. We can also do the packet replay using a PCAP file. Let's select the device and upload the PCAP file using the option Select a PCAP file. Details of source IP and port, destination IP and port, protocol, all these fields are auto-filled from the PCAP file. Let's select the ingress interface of interest and then click on Trace. From the results, we can see trace results available for each packets. I will be selecting packet 3 and view the results. We can observe that the packet has been allowed because there is a configured rule in access control policy to allow the specific traffic. Thanks for watching.